Alright. First ever unboxing video. This is from Feline Naturals, a New Zealand pet food company. Well, they say never use a knife to cut towards you, but hey, this wasn't a knife. What do we got? What do we got? Newspaper. Very well packaged cat food. So this is their milk made for cats, which, wow, be interested to find out the ingredients of that, because usually pet milk is complete and utter garbage. Oh, there's a nice little look. Anyway, let's have a look at this food. Alright, so this costs around $80 New Zealand. So they're medium sized cans, well, small cans for Americans, but let's have a look. So this one here is grain-free lamb and king salmon feast. Now, I don't know whether this is a pate type situation. I hope not. Let's have a look. The reason why I say I hope not is because, oh, it's got a lot of moisture in it. Look at that. That's great. Because for my little mumsy who's just been diagnosed with, oh, it kind of is a pate. Oh, that's alright actually. It's got some texture, so I can crunch it up a bit. Oh, here comes here comes the big doofus. There you go, Battle, you can try that, buddy. Well, it actually smells good. Well, you know, as far as cat food. Yeah, tuna. It smells a little bit like tuna. They say beef and salmon, but I know that it's got mussels in it. So it's got mussels with oils, of course, which is, that actually looks like really good stuff. So my mumsy's just been diagnosed. He's got pancreatitis. Oh, here comes the yum yums. Oh, hang on, let me move that out of the way, fella. What do you reckon, yum yums? Want to try it? Well, it's got these guys' approval anyway. Look at them go. Mate, they'll be chewing through cans of this at a rate of knots. Sadly, I can't afford that. Hey, my yum yums. Hey, yum yums, what's up here? Wait, what's up here? Now, alright, so time to try it on the pancreatitis cat. And I'm hoping that over time this will actually keep her intestinal and lower stomach intact over time. Alright, let you know how that goes. Look at her go. Although she does appear to be licking the moisture off. Whoops, I just dropped some on the ground. Oh no, good girl, mumsy. Okay, this could work out great. Now, as for you guys, oh yeah, excuse the mess. Well, actually don't, because my back's so stuffed I can't even bend down to the floor right now. But there's, who's that one? That's Payback. Yeah, no, she's dead keen as well. Awesome, look at that tail. She's the best tail ever. Look at that thing. And again, excuse the mess. No, don't, because I don't care, because I cannot bend down right now. Grrr at myself. Now, I know a lot of things are pet food only, but you know, pet food only to whom? I mean, you know, realistically, oh, excuse the food bowl, that's his fault. So there's a lot of things. I try them. You know, a little bit of it on the finger and a bit of a taste test, or in this case a taste gulp, and it's not bad. You can taste the flex oil in it and stuff. Anyway, time to try it on. Oh mate, this milk's going to taste very fishy, Battle. Very, very fishy. Here we go, buddy. Here we go, look. Oh, what do you reckon about that, eh? Fish milk? Oh no, he's into that. He does appear to be aiming for the fish bits. Oh no, no, he's actually not. It just appears that way. Here you go, here's a deeper puddle. No, wrong end. Man, you're a doofus. How do I get it down the end that you... Hang on. Okay, down that end. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, boy. Okay, well, that's... No, that's... Well, that's quite something, actually. Yeah. No, that's something. Wow. Bugger. This guy's already approaching 10 kg. You don't really need more nice snacks. And here we have Mumsy after a decent feed of the new lamb and salmon from Feline Naturals. It's good stuff. Thank you. You love my armpit, don't you?